Morning traders, I just want to give an update on the gold. This is a chart I spoke about yesterday. I was looking for testing of the 1488 area, 1490. We got that on the retail news yesterday. This was the news bar, and look what happened. Straight away sold back down about $8. Okay, so this is really weak. This chart generally is quite weak. They've bought it up in Asia to retest the high of this bar. We've seen some selling here in Asia. Okay. This is an ultra high volume up bar, next bar down. This is definitely some professional money selling in the markets. So, today I'm hoping for, I've already got a just in case sell stop here, in case something happens on the Brexit stuff and the gold moves rapidly down through 1483 area. I am looking for sells in gold. Today, as I said, I'm not interested in buying gold at the moment. Notice the day's range yesterday was only about $15. It was $10 shy of the normal day's range. So if we look at the daily chart, it was a pretty low range day. Couldn't break out of 1492. As I said, the daily trend is down. This to me is still a bearish chart. This to me is still sell rallies. So I'm not interested in buying gold at the moment. I'm interested in trying to look for sells, and I'm looking for trend days. I'm looking for open range breakdowns and trade the trend to the downside. I believe the down moves will be better in gold than the up moves. Now, if there's negative news on the Brexit, which is the EU is meeting for the next 2 days, then this whole strategy will change. But at the moment, again, we've still got 4 hour kind of trending down, although it's a bit sideways here now. Okay, so here we've got to be a little bit cautious of what we're going to do. But overall, the medium trend is still down. This is a bit of a sideways consolidation at the moment, and the up moves to me appear a little weak. Okay, so here we see definitely an up move here, supply coming in, and then it tells us the future. If the next down is bar closing near its lows, this confirms the weakness. Okay, subsequent no demand up bars, which we have here, and then this one. Okay, all right, weakness. Subsequent no demand up bars, up thrust confirm the weakness. Okay, with weakness in the background, which we have, this indicator carries more weight, so we have a weakness in the background. This is coming up for testing, came up to test this area. We saw sellers coming in. Okay, so to me, I'm still kind of looking for more weakness on this. There is a little bit of a trend line going in here, which I just noticed. Kind of like that. Okay, so I'm going to ignore that big widespread down news bar there. So, something like that. I mean, it's not ideal, but you can say that this bottom line, if we got a break below this 1484 level, which is this previous resistance level here, so we're looking around 14, which is why my sell stop is down here. If we broke 1484.75. I can easily get down to this lows here of 1478 and get my stops into break even. Okay, before this thing springs. So that's why I've got a sell stop down here, because the trend is still up on a 1 hour. I don't want to rush into a trade up here. I'd rather wait for this thing to curl down, come through here, do a bit of testing, and hopefully go to 1465 if it's going to. Okay, if it's going to. Okay.